Thank you for purchasing the SmartFlow DL-968 Smart Bidet Toilet. Included parts: anchor brackets, remote control with holder, water valve with filter, backup battery box, and 2 long mounting bolts. Toilet water supply lines typically come in 2 sizes, 3/8" and 1/2". If your supply line is 3/8", you'll need a 3/8" to 1/2" adapter. Make sure the water supply pipe and shutoff valve are clear of the space behind the toilet to ensure proper installation. If your water supply line is 1/2", the valve can be installed directly without an adapter. Draw a straight line parallel to the back wall that passes through the center of the floor flange. Then draw another straight line perpendicular to the back wall, also passing through the center. These 2 lines form a cross. Now install the anchor brackets onto the floor flange. Slide a short bolt into a flange slot on the right side. Position the anchor bracket so it faces away from the center. Add a washer and then a nut and tighten the nut securely. Repeat the same process on the left side. Install a wax ring, ensuring it is about 1/4 inch higher than the floor surface. Then, draw a mark on the vertical red line at 13 inches from the center. If there isn't enough space on either side of the floor flange, install the toilet from the front using the 13-inch mark as a pivot point. Tilt the toilet forward and align the front tip with the 13-inch mark. Then slowly lower the back of the toilet onto the flange. Install a wax ring, ensuring it sits about 1/4 inch above the finished floor surface. If the toilet flange is significantly lower than the finished floor, use a thicker wax ring or a flange extension to ensure a proper seal. Align the red line on the floor with the red line on the toilet, then carefully flip the toilet into position. Firmly press the toilet down at all 4 corners to ensure a secure seal. Insert the long mounting bolts through the washers and into the anchor brackets, keeping the bolts as straight as possible. Tighten the bolts securely, then place the decorative covers over the bolt heads. Connect both water supply lines to the toilet, one to the bidet spray and the other to the water tank. Turn on the water supply, then connect the power and press the on button. You can now test all toilet functions. Enjoy advanced hygiene and comfort.